Howdy, everybody. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and Living Lux in Houston, and this is what we're talking about here. Floor-to-ceiling windows, modern high-rise, beautiful, very recently built, feels like a dream. Look at this beautiful one-bedroom. Man, it's white, it's crisp, it's clean, beautiful kitchen. Everything about it is modern and gorgeous. This is the place you want to be. It's amazing, and this is a living room that's so open. You're going to be able to have a lot of people over here. You can see all the seating that's in here. It's just delightful. This is so beautiful. I'm walking in the kitchen just so you can see that too. You're going to love this even more when you see the kitchen. Look at this. These cabinets are gorgeous. The white countertops. Oh, that kind of really wavy line backsplash, and these countertops are just beautiful. You got a wine fridge and gas. I mean, you've got everything you need here. Hey, this is having a great impact on me, and I'm wondering what impact it's having on you, because, man, I love this. I would love to live here. What do you think? Are you ready to live here? Do you want some more information about it? My number is below. You can text me on that number. Just send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I'm looking in the Houston area. I'm definitely wanting to be in a Houston high-rise, and this is my kind of place. Or, hey, Grant, I'm looking, and I'd like your help to maybe search multiple places, and this would be one of the places I'd really like to see. Either way, send me that text. My number's below. That'll go straight into my cell phone. It's not going to go into software or anything like that. Just go straight to my cell phone. We'll chat about your perfect Houston high-rise apartment.